We are standing with all the students who are protesting for their rights, and we want justice for all of them.
All injustice which has been done, we are all opposing the members of the bar, and we have taken this so as to extend our support so that it can be conveyed to everybody in the country that the Supreme Court Bar Association members have taken this vouch to stand and support, and all illegality, the brutalities which have been done with the students, we condemn that. And we would take all the legal actions which are required for these things and ensure that justice should prevail, and that is why we have started this with the preamble of our constitution.
हम यहाँ इसलिए खड़े हैं क्योंकि ये जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट की न्यायपालिका है ये एक टेम्पल ऑफ जस्टिस है, तो हम अपनी आवाज़ उन तक पहुँचाना चाहते हैं जो अब तक सुन नहीं पाए हैं कि हमारा धर्म है, एक वकील होने के नाते हमारा धर्म है कि हम हिंदुस्तान के नागरिकों तक जस्टिस पहुंचा दें।
अपना चैनल के लिए कर रहा हूँ।
Economic, political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality, citizen opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity. India, that is Bharat.
We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India in sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation.
सच्चाई के साथ जुड़िए डेली इंडिया न्यूज के साथ। तो देर किस बात की? डेली इंडिया न्यूज अब आपके व्हाट्सएप पर भी उपलब्ध है। जुड़ना बहुत आसान है, बस सामने दिख रहे QR कोड को स्कैन करें या नीचे दिए गए लिंक पर क्लिक करें। और हाँ, चैनल को फॉलो करने के बाद बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें ताकि कोई भी जरूरी अपडेट मिस ना हो।